train yard is empty, the trains have all gone, a graveyard forgotten by time moving on. A few lonely hobos in search of the dawn have vanished a long time ago. Bright lights and tinsel and holiday cheer, carols and laughter this time of the year, fade in the distance as I stop to hear the sound of a train whistle blow. The last train is passing my way, the last train to Christmas Day. The rail yard is silent except for the sound of a low rising rumble that shudders the ground, a whistle that sings of a train glory bound, and three hobos climbing on board. Dave is a fireman, he shovels the coal. Randy the flagman signals the soul. I am the porter calling the roll to the tune of the last all aboard. The last train is passing away, the last train to Christmas Day. The last train is passing your way, the last train to Christmas Day. Three restless riders on a long stretch of track, a steel rail of silver with an engine of black. Three restless riders who never look back as they ride on the last Christmas train.